This is the famous Cadillac Ranch in Amarillo, Texas. And this is how it looks like from I-40 on the side of the road. It's quite a windy day that day, so I'm talking over this. This is the entranceway, and these kids were kind enough to get out of the way so I can get through. It's quite a walk. It's about 2 blocks of a walk to get over there. Once you get there, you'll see 10 Cadillacs faced with its front face down, buried in the ground. They range from a 1948 to a 1963 Cadillac, and they were done and created in 1974 by these two San Francisco artists. And it shows the evolution of the tail fin from 1948 to 1963. And over the years, people just spray paint over it, so it looks different from what it used to look like back in 1974 when it was created. And this was not the original site of the Cadillac Ranch. It used to be at another place, but they had to remove it and put it to this location because of housing development at that area. So it stood here. So they did that in 1997. So it stood here for almost more than 20 years, and the cars are protected by a spray from years of spray paint. So it's gonna be there for centuries. It's a nice place to look at. It's a great stop at Route 66, and there you go.